Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by creating a responsive frame sized to your primary target. That gets your constraints meaningful right away. Once done, apply an 8px baseline and a 12-column layout grid so spacing and alignment scale predictably. Next, convert key groups into components for reuse and performance. Make sure to name layers clearly, because consistent naming lets you search and swap variants fast. This first step avoids messy overrides, and it sets up predictable resizing behavior as you prototype. Now you construct components that actually respond. Use auto layout to make buttons and cards resize with their contents. This handles text changes and localization without breaking layout. Create component variants for states, hover, active, disabled, so instances inherit responsive behavior cleanly. Then set constraints to stretch or use proportional widths so elements adapt between breakpoints. Once done, test resizing in the inspector and tweak padding so things never collide. This reduces finish by prototyping interactions and verifying across device frames. You want to see 16:9 and mobile ratios in motion so you catch overflow early. Make clickable prototypes and preview on device with Figma Mirror or hand off to developers with clear specs and tokens. If something breaks, inspect auto layout padding, fixed size layers, and constraint anchors first. Those are the usual culprits. Finally, iterate. Adjust grid gutters, refactor a stubborn component, and retest until resizing is smooth and predictable.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.